Hi everyone, it's 𝘬𝘧𝘪𝘠. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another plan with me. Today I'm going to be decorating the pages in my horizontal planner for the week of October 26th to November 1st. And I plan on using the new fall sticker book. They have these really cute cat stickers. And this is Halloween week, so I wanted to use these to decorate the page because they're adorable. I love cats, so I'm going to use those. And I might pull in some other sticker books, but that's basically what I'm going to be using is this one. And this one is not on the Happy Planner website anymore, but I found this one at Michael's. So if you're looking for it, hopefully you can find it there because that's where I was able to get it. Alright, so I'm going to take the pages out and get started. Okay, so I have a little piece of wax paper. I'm going to pull, I think, a quote sticker I want to use. Well, it's not really a quote sticker. It just says Happy Halloween on it. I'm going to use that one. So I feel like this planner will be perfect to use it in since I have that long section right there that I can put it in. Or actually I could put it, no, it covers up all of them. I could possibly put it on that day. I'm not sure yet how I want to use that one. But I do want to put that one in this spread. And I love these purple ones. But I think I'm going to stick to these. Okay, so I definitely want to use this Hocus Pocus. I'm going to go with the orange, purple, and black color scheme. That one is cute. Feeling spooky. Alright, and then I'm probably going to pull in some of these. So I'll probably do, I don't have this one yet. So I'm going to pull that one. And I have the little mummy one. And then this one that has, is like a little witch. Cute. Alright, so those are going to be what I'm going to use in this spread. And then I might use some of these spiders and some spider webs. Just trying to figure out what I want to do. Okay, so I have this box. I like it because it's purple. And I'm thinking of using this for Monday. I put it here. But I'm going to cover it up because I don't want that cat twice. So I think I'm just going to, even though it says feeling spooky there, I'm still going to, I think I'm still going to use it. Or I can do the You're Creeping Me Out. And I want to actually layer another box behind it. So I have this seasonal one. I really like the stripes. I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to do a little layering of this with this sticker. Okay, I like that. That's really cute. That cat looks funny. Reminds me, my sister has a cat like that. It totally looks exactly like that. I'm trying to find more functional boxes. I have these. They're all purple. I could use this one and just cover it up the same way I did the other one with like a sticker. Maybe on this side. Alright, you know what? I'm going to add washi. I'm going to actually put some washi on the page. So I have some options, of course, my polka dots. And then I have this one. And then I also have a purple one. I'm thinking of maybe layering a couple of them because I've been liking how that looks. So I'm going to see which layering I want to do. I mean, I think I want to use this one just to do something different. Or I have a stripe. Well, actually, yeah, I could use a stripe because the stripe does tie in that stripe, and I do plan on adding more of those around the page. So yeah, I'm gonna use the stripe. So I'm just gonna put this down. I think I'm gonna put some right here. Kind of cut it off a little bit right there. And then I can put the purple one on top. Okay, so I got the washi down, and I think I'm gonna add some spider webs. I have some spider webs in this Best Year Ever sticker book. I have these right here. So I'm thinking of using these. I'm gonna put this one right here. And I do have bats also. Let's see, are they in here? Yeah, I have some bats. Oh, I have a cute little haunted house. And I think I have spiders. Yeah, I do. I just don't know if they're gonna work in this spread. Actually, that is kind of cute. Okay, I'm gonna see how it looks if I just put this down. I feel like it's a lot of orange around the sticker, but I don't know. I could cut off some of it just to make it a little bit like not so much of it on the page. Actually, I think that looks cute. Okay, I love that little corner right there. I think that's adorable. And I still have enough room. Like, I'm going to use that to write. I have this whole section to write. I'll probably put like a bullet point here. And then I can go ahead and add another box. So I think I'm going to do... I'll probably do this box over here. But I do want to cover that up with something. I just need to figure out something. Oh, I have pumpkins. Or a spider. I wonder if a spider will cover that. Oh, actually, yeah. Okay, that kind of works. And I feel like I want like a circle sticker. Oh, actually, I like this one better. This pumpkin with the spider is cute. Yeah, I like that. That's really, really cute. And I'm probably gonna add maybe this vampire cat. Just hanging out over here. But I still want like a circle sticker. Okay. Okay, I'm back in this old seasonal sticker book, and I have this blue sticker. I'm just gonna put it right here. That's so cute. Still have a couple kitties left. I definitely want to do another one that has like a layered box like that. So I think that's what I'm gonna do next. Is get another box. I have one. I have another one. Oh, I have two. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna grab this one. I'm thinking of doing the orange one. purple or orange? I have a lot of purple, so I want to get more orange on the page. So I'm going to do it the other way, so it's not like exactly the same as that one. Or I could do it like this. Okay, so I could put this here. I'm still trying to figure out where I wanted this though. I think I need to go on Halloween though, honestly. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this, should I put it here? No, I wanna put it in this corner. Ah. Okay, and then I'm gonna figure out this Happy Halloween. I think I want it here. Still gives me enough room to write, like around this box. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna white this out. I'm gonna white this part out. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the part that's in between the H and okay, I'm gonna let that dry a bit and then I'll push it down. Okay, I would definitely want to add another one of these spiders hanging over here. I feel like I need a box, like maybe a box like that. So let's see, I think there was a black one maybe I can use. I think I passed the black one. Oh yeah, I have this one. No, okay, I'm not gonna put that one. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit a box. I feel like it's too, there's too much stuff on this side. Because this was the other one I was thinking. Oh, actually if I layer it, like how I did over there. It's just a lot. Okay, now I'm trying to think if I should layer it the same exact way. I don't know if it's gonna be too matchy-matchy. Maybe I can switch it around a little bit so it's not as matchy-matchy. Oh, what am I doing? That won't work. Okay, put this here. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, so it took me a while to figure out how I wanted to layer this. I ended up covering up the bats, even though I do plan on putting some bats down, but I didn't want to cover up that double toil and trouble. So I think that works. Maybe I'll put in a quote here or something else over here. I'm not sure yet. I'll push this down since that's dry now. And yeah, I think that looks good. All right, so I do want to add another spider web. I have another one in this book. I have this one right here. So I'm gonna try to figure out a way to layer this somewhere. Put this somewhere so that way I can put another one of those cute little spiders. Yeah, I think that works. I actually, you know what, I'm gonna pull this washi. I'm gonna take some of it off. like make it end a little bit over here. Oops, I don't like the way I cut that. I might have to redo that washi because it looks a little odd. And then I'm going to hang another one of those spiders. Okay. Oh, I have a big one on this page. He's huge. Huge, huge. Okay. That's okay. I'm going to have him going here, but I'm going to cut this off a little bit because I want it to be coming from the center. Okay, so I'm going to try to cut this maybe here. I'm going to redo this washi strip. Okay, so I'm kind of not liking this one here because it's so big. Oh, I ripped it. I'm thinking of using this one instead in the corner. Just so that way it's not exactly the same as that one. Maybe over here a little bit. But I think I like that little one right there instead. That way it's not exact, like I said, it's not exactly the same, even though I kind of layered the boxes, very similar. But I think that looks good. All right, so I do have a couple of cats left. And I have a mummy one, and I have a witch one. And I'm thinking of putting the little witch one, because it fits better with the color scheme. It's got the purple, the orange, and the black. So, I'm going to put... I guess I can put him here. And then I have a mummy one. This one's funny. I was thinking of putting him here. Yeah. I'm gonna put him here. Cute. Okay, so I have two options for bats. I have these bats right here, and then I also have these. I think I like these better for this spread. Okay, I'm gonna put a bat here. And then maybe a couple right there. Cute. Super, super cute. All right, I feel like I'm missing something down here. Maybe like a quote or something. I'm missing something. I don't know. Maybe I can add more washi. Not sure. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a purple box over here. And I'm just gonna grab, even though I have like purple right across from purple. It's not my favorite, but I don't know. I think I want to add a box here. Or I could find another box somewhere else. Yeah. Okay, so I want more purple on the page, and I'm thinking of switching something up just a little bit, just so I can get more purple on this side. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this because I feel like now it's too much orange down here, especially orange, a lot of orange. So I'm gonna take this one off. I'm not gonna put Feeling Spooky, especially since I have Feeling Spooky over here. Yeah, probably don't have it in like multiple places. Okay, so I can still use a sticker. I didn't rip it, so that's good. And I'm gonna use the Hocus Pocus sticker. I'll get some purple down here, at least. Let's see, layer this. Okay, so yeah, I have the purple here. I think I like this a lot better. And then I can put maybe an orange box up here. That way I don't have like purple, purple, orange, orange. That's just how my brain works. I just didn't want it that way. And then I'm going to get, I do want the little skeleton one because that's cute. So I feel like this one would be better here. Right there. Cute. Yep. Alright, so now all I have to do is find an orange box, which is not easy. But I want to find something orange for over here. Yeah, for over here. Okay, this is super random, but I was looking through Savvy Saver when I was doing my setup video for November, and I noticed there were colorful boxes in here. So I just remembered that I need to use these. It's not the same orange as that. That is like, I don't know where that orange came from. It's more reddish, but you know what? It's super hard to find orange. So I'm just gonna go with this because, like I said, it's hard. It's not an easy find for orange, unfortunately. So I have that one, and then I do have another one in here. Just to bring it over here on this side, possibly. It's a small little box. So I could add it over here. Just to tie it in. I don't know. Yeah. And then there was a sticker I saw in this book that says like all dressed up. That one. I feel like that might tie in that darker orange a little bit better. Hopefully. And since they are all dressed up like the little cats, I figured that'd be kind of cute to have that quote right there. Alright, so I really like how it's looking. I still feel like I need some kind of stripe over here or something. I just feel like it's kind of empty on the bottom. And I'm not sure yet if I'm going to add like anything like over here. So I think I'm going to put this here, and then I think I'm going to add some up here. So those will be the only ones that don't have purple. Alright, cute. I just love the stripes. Yeah. And then I'm almost done. But I want to add some bullet points on a couple of the days. So I have these. These are from the Mega Joanne sticker book. This was like the very first Mega book that came out. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of purple and orange. Just maybe like one here and there. Like one there, and then maybe one here. Yeah. Do an orange one here. And then I think I do want to put some purple. So I'm going to put purple on this day. And then I can do purple Alright, it looks really cute. It's a lot, but I like it a lot. I like to have a lot on my page. And I just like will write around the page, around the stickers. That's how I like to journal in this. I know some people like question how I use this actually. I did show last week how I used it, how I filled it in. I try to do a plan, like a actual plan with me or journal with me, but it seems a little awkward. I like doing it on my own, but I have no problem showing it. Maybe I'll show this one after the pen. I'm not sure. But I'm going to use some more of these little spiders around the page. Just a couple of them like hanging around a little bit. And a few spots I think would be cute. Alright, so I got one there, and then maybe I could put one over here. They're so cute. Alright, I think I'm done. I really like how it turned out. It's super Halloween. I love the cats and their little costumes. They're adorable. Alright, so I'm going to put this back in my planner. Oh, I forgot one more thing. I thought I was done, and then I flipped through this fall sticker book again and forgot I wanted to use these little banners because they had all the colors, and it actually has that color of that box, so I feel like I need to add it on the page just to tie it in a little bit more. And so I feel these don't take up too much room, so I'm just gonna add it to a couple of sides. I'll put this here. Yeah. There's so much going on the page, but honestly, yeah, it's enough room for me to write. I don't journal a lot, so just a little bit, especially on the weekdays. I mean, there's really not much going on, just work. That's about it, but I do like to just do a little bit of something in here. So I think for me, that's enough space. I mean, it's not for everybody, but for me, it works. And that's what matters. All right, so yeah, I think that's it. All right, so there's my super cute cat spread. I love how this one turned out. I think it's adorable. I hope that even if you don't like cats, which honestly, I don't understand if you don't, but if you don't like cats, that you still enjoyed watching me create this spread because it's so cute. I love it. It's adorable. I can't wait to actually like journal in it and fill it in because that'll be even more fun too. So I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you guys all in the next one.